Okay, guys, here you go. This is the final update. This should clarify everything in regards to the final close-up bills. The original ones on people that are coming back in 2021, I did those correct. I didn't make any mistakes. However, on the bills on people exiting, I forgot something that was significant. So let's use Jaxon Pago's final bill as an example of how to do this. If you look down here, Jaxon ended up with 1161 right there. Of that 1161, $164 was in fundraisers. So that takes him down to 997. That's what he put in personally. There is a $300 penalty from close-up for the cancellation. Plus, there's a $259 subtraction from Delta. I didn't have this in here originally. It has to be in there because you're going to be compensated for that. You will get money back from Delta or a voucher back from Delta. So that changes the balance to $438. So Jaxon's refund is $438. If anybody, hopefully this clarifies those bills. I sent Delta a letter. I will update you on how they are going to disperse our flight refund, whether it's going to be a cash or a voucher. If Close-Up gets back with me on anything else in regards to refunding, they may, as the federal bailout widens. Close-Up has applied for that. Some of their vendors have applied for that. Some of the hotels didn't pay Close-Up back. Some of the transportation, they're having trouble getting back. Some of the vendors that they've worked with may go out of business. And so we'll have to see how the economy plays out. There could be further refunds from Close-Up down the road. That's not out of the question. And I will continue to stay on top of that. So I hope this clarifies anything. I sincerely apologize for having to take 5 videos to get this correct. If you have any questions, please let me know. Give me a buzz. And continue to distance, continue to exercise, continue to get outside, continue to have a positive attitude, and we'll get through this thing. We will get through this thing. Take care, guys. Ciao, ciao.